from Boston down through LaGuardia. We are seeing certainly a better day today around New York City, and I should say around D.C., and hopefully folks will get a chance to get out there and do some digging out. But take it easy, because there is a lot of snow and we don't want you to hurt yourself. It is just be patient. I know that if I was sitting in the airport for 18 hours, I probably wouldn't be patient either. But you have to know that they're just trying their best, and for your safety, they just cannot get the planes off the ground if there is just too much snow. And of course, the northeasterly winds are just very, very strong, and that is one of the real big problems too, is with the strong northeast gusting to 40, 50 miles an hour, we're running into problems as well. So you can see the swath of snow from Boston all the way down through D.C. again, Concord and Albany, down through New York, and so you're kind of finally getting out of the really heavy snow around D.C. Things are improving for you here.